I'm good. What about you?
I'm great. What's your name?
Oh, my name is Ahmed. And yours?
I'm Rebecca and I live in Mexico. Where do you live?
Nice to meet you, Rebecca. Well, I live in. Can you guess?
Ah, I live.
I want to talk about my country. So in English.
Oh, country. Ah,
Yeah.
oh, I don't know. Maybe
What?
Turkish?
Um. Well, my country is located in the Middle East.
Middle East.
Yeah.
Ah, you have kind of a different accent.
Uh-huh.
I don't know. UAE?
Sorry?
United Arab Emirates? I don't know.
No. My country located in the Middle East, and we are speaking almost Arabic, and
Almost?
uh, yeah,
Oh,
because
mostly.
yes, because we have some people talk in another language.
Okay, we mostly speak Arabic.
Yeah, we mostly speak Arabic.
Oh man. Okay, what's the other language? Oh, you're
Uh,
Egyptian.
sorry, I can hear you.
Not Egyptian? Not Egyptian?
No, not it. We have. Let me give you a clue. We have two famous rivers. They run from Turkey through my country and gathering in the southern of my country.
Ah, I don't know. Oman, Kuwait. I'm just gonna start saying a bunch of rich countries.
You're almost
Saudi
reach
Arabia? I
reach the
guess. Saudi
answer. Reach the so we are very famous on the news.
Famous. I don't watch the news. Fun. True.
uh,
I live in Mexico. So I have
so
no idea.
let me explain how my flag is like. My
You're funny.
yeah, it's about in the bottom black color, and in the
I don't
top.
know flag. I don't know
Uh,
flag.
so you can imagine.
I have no idea. I wish I did. Slovakia, Slovenia, one of those, Azerbaijan. No, no, that's Russia.
Yes.
Just
Uh,
tell me.
so uh, what do you say? We call it in the old time my country Mesopotamia.
I have no idea. I don't know geography. I studied in the U.S.
So my explanation is not good because you are you are not reach the answer.
It's not about your description. It's about my lack of knowledge in geography. I'm from America. Oh wait. Oh, Syria. No,
You
not
almost
Syria.
we have a
Yeah,
border with Syria. We have a border with Syria and Turkey.
Jordan. Jordan.
We have also a border with Jordan.
Iraq?
Exactly.
What? Oh,
I think I'm the first student with you. From Iraq.
no, I have had students before, but they're actually trial students. I don't think I've ever had a private student, like a paying student. Wait, are you paying or not? Okay, yeah, you're paying. So, I mean, they all pay. Cambly Web for everyone, but they're not paying. So, but
Yes, yes.
but you don't look like Iraqi. Like I would think, like you would look more conservative, and
Co-
but you don't
cons-
look
uh, what does that mean?
conservative. Like you know, more covered. You have those things and like maybe the dress, you know, more traditional. Arabic. Can you hear me? Aw.
Hello?
Hey, I've had some, yeah, hi. I hope my internet is okay because I've had a lot of internet issues today. I don't know if it's the Cambly platform. I'm gonna message them because this has been happening today, like pauses. So
yeah, it happens. The internet in the entire world is not good. Maybe sometimes.
yeah, it could be coronavirus, right?
So you mean the internet infected by coronavirus?
The internet is no. No. The economy is affected. Economy, society, social norms.
Yes.
So the internet is part of the economy.
Yeah, and in my country, if you go outside and see the people, everyone talk about that disease.
Everyone
And,
is everyone is talking about
the coronavirus.
Are you scared or how do you feel?
No, I don't care. Yeah.
Okay. How many?
Because here in Iraq we face many difficulties. So it's like our heart is is like a stone.
Oh, you have a lot of like war stuff, right, going on?
Yes. From my
Wow.
childhood until now. So we don't care if whether coronavirus is coming or or not. We don't
Wow.
care.
You're probably just kind of relieved that the entire world can freak out now along with you, right?
Yeah, I think coronavirus like the TV shows The Walking Dead, the end of the world.
Oh, no. I don't think it's that bad. There's like 7% mortality. So a ton of people have to get infected for just like 70 to die, which is a high number, but you know,
Yes.
1,000 people. So
And what do you call it of the people who get the virus and recovered, not die, infected by
yeah,
the virus?
or caught it. So the people who got infected and didn't die, yeah, they got infected.
Infected.
But they
So
recovered.
infected start with E or an I?
Yeah,
Infected.
but they're not infected anymore. Once they recover, they
Yeah.
are, I guess you can call them immune to the disease.
When
They're
they recover,
most likely
when they recovered, we call it immune.
immune. So
Immune.
I'm not scientifically. You could say though.
Once they recover, yes.
Right. So if they caught it once and they recovered, then next time they catch it, they could probably be more, you know, they could probably be stronger against it.
I didn't hear you because you are freezing for a second.
So immunity is when, for example, you are not affected by something, by a disease or illness,
Got you.
or virus.
Yes, yes. So, how is the level there in Mexico? What's the general language there?
It's Spanish.
It's Spanish.
what's the official language?
The official language in Mexico.
Yeah, I grew up in Texas.
So you moved to Mexico?
Yep.
Texas, I think in USA, America.
Yeah.
And Mexico has a border with the USA?
Yeah, with Texas too.
So Texas, they speak also Spanish and English?
In Texas, they also actually well, there's a lot of Mexican Americans, so yeah, and there's a lot of like white people, like you know, people who were born in America,
yeah,
who also speak Spanish, but it's a small fraction. But yeah.
So you have two official language, Spanish and English in Mexico.
No, the official language is Spanish.
So the second language is English.
There's no second language. Only one official language.
Just the Spanish.
Are you asking which one is the most spoken after Spanish?
Yeah, that's my asking.
Okay. Oh, yeah, it's not an official language, though. Only a certain type of people speak it. And yeah, it would be English, but only like middle class people and above speak it. But most of Mexico is lower class.
You mean you mean lower class in the living, lower class?
Yeah, like financially.
Yes.
So it's not considered a second language in Mexico. It's just for people who have, you know, money or resources.
Yes, so you can communicate with the foreign people.
Yeah. Just
for marketing or for tourism.
For jobs.
For jobs, yeah.
Yeah.
And why did you move to Mexico?
I was born here, and so I wanted to experience what it would be like to live in my home country.
Yeah.
So, and I came to be a translator. I didn't like it, but I ended up liking living here. So I just stayed here a little longer. I don't plan on being here forever, but, you know, for as long as I feel happy, I guess. I'm traveling.
Yeah, the travel is good for your health, good for your for your happiness.
Yeah, and it's cheap to live here.
So what is like the apartment rent there?
Like average?
Yeah.
An average apartment rent would be like, I'm talking middle class, okay? So
yeah.
Probably like 8,000 pesos. So that's like $430, you know, roughly, for an average apartment in Mexico.
So the apartment take 2 or 3 person. It's like a flat
like apartment. A 2-bedroom apartment. Like a 2-bedroom. Small, but you know, good enough. Mexicans don't need big spaces, especially in Mexico City. Mexico City is huge and crowded, so it's like New York, where smaller spaces are more expensive. So here, it's a 2-bedroom apartment. It's small, but it's good enough. Yeah. So anyway.
So we have 5 seconds. I want to thank you for your time. It was nice to meet you. Goodbye.
So nice meeting you.